this is it. All packed up. About to head home. It's sad. I enjoy this campsite. So quiet here. Nobody else around. Very hard to find a campsite like this. So the only thing that would make this site more perfect is if there was hiking trails and maybe some water features or something like that I could see and do things around here. But nevertheless, it's just a nice quiet spot to camp in. I enjoy it here. So it was a good trip though. Everything worked out well. A nice clear view to the sky here, and for the most part it stayed sunny, so my solar system on my truck actually did exactly what it was supposed to do. I had no worries about running out of power the entire time I was here. And it was just nice and quiet, and I had some good time just last night sitting at the campfire, pretty much doing nothing. Just watching the stars. It was great. Very relaxing. And yeah, the wind didn't cooperate there, so I didn't have as much time on the drone as I would have liked to have. Nor did I have enough stable weather for some long rides with the scooter, but I still had fun. And I will definitely come back here. I'd actually like to try to spend a whole week at this site next year if I can. So last night I hitched the trailer up and packed the scooter up, so making packing a little bit easier this morning. Otherwise, well, we're all set. Well, thanks for joining along, and if you have any comments, leave them below. I'd love to hear them. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, and of course, slow down and enjoy life. Talk to you guys later.